How do you find out about a water main break?
We find out about water main breaks via telephone calls from customers, police departments, fire departments, and or emails from customers via social media.
So what happens when you get information about a break? Then what do you do?
We record that information into our CityWorks system. We send out an investigator to further investigate what is going on out there. Once they get on location, they will inform the dispatcher the severity of the leaks, prioritize the leaks as they come in, and then it's dispatched to a pipe repair crew.
What do you have right there?
This is what we call a test rod. This is what we use to sound the main when there's a water leak. What we call water leak.
So what are you guys doing out here then with that?
Well, once we drill the test holes, we put this on the main, and we use this. This is called an octaphone. We can put this up against here, and we can hear the sound of the water, the rocks, and that will determine how loud it is. Loud, that will determine if the leak is there.
What are you guys doing out here today?
Right now, leak was located, so we have a backhoe out here excavating the hole for us, expose the water main. And there was a crack around. So the way we make our repair is we'll put it's an 8-inch main, we'll put an 8-inch clamp around the main to make the repair.
How long is this going to take you guys?
Well, once our sheeting box get here, depending on how long it gets, it may take us probably 45 minutes at the most to get it all done. And then the dump truck will come back and we'll backfill the hole up the grade.
What are you guys doing out here right now?
Some restoration work. They had a water main break, and it's repaired now. So now we're coming in with sub base of concrete, and this is a high early concrete with accelerator in it. And come tomorrow or the next day or Monday, they'll come and top it with a cold patch asphalt, and that will be it till spring, where they'll take that out and patch it permanently with the regular asphalt.